Yeah, so this is the first time that we've ever wheeled in snow. This is private property. We're, part of a local club now, so everyone here is super duper nice and really, really helpful and so sweet. But we were just kind of hoping to make it until lunchtime. Is that asking too much? That's asking too much. Yeah, but you know what? Honestly, we've been wheeling hard for like 2 years now. This is the first time that, like really, yeah. And I guess I was just pretty lucky overall. Yeah, it's a small group. Everybody lives close. Tim has a freaking extra tie rod. Inspirational quotes with Rachel. I have the wrench.
I have pockets I can put in.
This is gonna be such a weird video. It's gonna be full of inspirational quotes.
Alright, so the next step here is to take this stabilizer off, since the Terraflex one diameter is not the same as this, but it's got unlucky in that I don't have a half inch to 3/8 adapter, but the one socket I had is a 19 millimeter, which fits that. The only thing I've gotten lucky on so far today.
I know. Alright. Ear protection.
Safety first.
Safety first. Yeah.
Like I said, luckily the one socket I have is a 19 millimeter.
Yeah.
Well, hey, look at that.
Hey! She's off! You know what we don't have with us is a ball joint puller.
Well, that's a pretty unlikely tool to need.
See, you're right, but prepare for the worst and then be happy when it works out to not be the worst.
No, you hope for the best.
I like that, yeah.
That's my life motto.
I like that. Inspirational quotes with Rachel.
You. Oh, maybe not. Look at that.
Gonna get the castle nut off.
Yeah, I gotta get that cotter pin out.
Well, you can feel good in the fact that it's in there pretty good.
Yeah.
It's pretty good in there. It's not gonna
It's
drop
not
out.
good though!
Can we do like a swing around again? Like $500 to come in and do this, but you're like, it's just where you got to know where to hit it.
Okay.
That's perfect.
It lives. It lives. Purple tie rod is in. Oh yeah. You know, I've heard worse noises today.
Just polishing them up.
Yay, he can turn again. Yay. All right. Well, I mean, that's probably a wrap. All right, there we go. Yeah, thanks for watching. Do you have any closing comments? Any more words of inspiration?
Words of inspiration. Don't break your car. There you go. Don't break your car.
What about Jeeps? Because Jeeps aren't cars.
Don't break your Jeeps.
Words to live by. With Rachel.
Okay.
The other way. All right, bye-bye. All right, guys, so we're off the trail. Many thanks to Tim and all the other guys that were helping us out. So we just got back to the kind of access trail, i.e. driveway, So I'm going to take a little bit of footage of Chaz's Jeep driving so you can actually see what it looks like with this tie rod. It's not good, but I'm going to drive it. Your one wheel is drifting. You're drifting.
All right, final saga. She's on the trailer. Thanks again to Best Way folks. The lady that was working in there is very, very nice. She's super helpful, and they're both, all the staff in there was great in terms of helping us out and making sure that everything was all good, and being patient with us while it took literally like 6 hours to get this out here.